Hi, this is Steve again with Boatshed, Texas. We're back down here on this 1974 Willard Vega Horizon 30 trawler. I'm going to give you a walk around the interior of this boat and give you an idea of the floor plan and layout down below. We're currently looking directly forward through the main salon up to the bridge. This is the galley area to port. It's your typical galley style, all on one side with plenty of storage above and below the counter surface. Has a fridge freezer unit about halfway here. Forward from there, that has a 2-burner stove with an oven, and below that we have a microwave oven. Across from the galley area is a seating area with a salon table. Again, seating for about 3 people there comfortably. Aft from here we have the head, which also doubles as a shower. Forward through the main salon, we walk up to the bridge. It's a nav station bridge combination. Has a second steering helm with a good complement of marine electronics, GPS, chart plotter, radar, stereo, VHF, marine radio, and autopilot. And across from there we have the main AC and DC electrical distribution panel. And forward from there we have the V-berth. Very compact and cozy. Hanging storage on both sides, port and starboard. This boat is fully air conditioned and has been fully restored by the previous owner. For more information on this boat, please contact boats@boatshedtexas.com. Thank you.